Within everything around us, there are hundreds of ideas waiting to be found. We've just got to look closer at these things. I'm Dominic Wilcox. I'm an artist, designer and inventor, and I'm on a mission to inspire the world's children to become the inventors of our futures. And we've come here to Sheffield High School, and I've come here to ask the children here to come up with their own invention ideas. Now, who knows what an inventor is? What does an inventor do? I'm going to show the children my inventions. I don't like it when the tea is too hot, and so I decided to join a fan onto this saucer and try and inspire them to start thinking creatively and to think about what invention is and what it is to be an inventor. Children have a natural imagination that is so free and unrestricted. Children have that freedom of thought that I think adults can actually learn from. We'll then look for the most interesting, surprising, imaginative ideas and make the best one into a real thing by working with local makers and manufacturers here in the city of Sheffield. There was one idea that came out, which was a pair of Wellington boots that, when it's a bit slippy outside, you can press a button and some spikes emerge from the bottom of the soles to give your shoes a better grip. That child will meet the professional maker. Welcome, Isabel, genius inventor. And then that gets turned into a real thing.
Then you pull that ring and press down.
It's just like something that I thought was actually real. It's like, it's come alive.
Imagine if we could inspire all of the world's children to become those innovators, people with the imagination to solve the world's problems. I think that will make the world such a better place.